Oh my god. Yeah, I did that.
Good morning, happy Thanksgiving. I hope all is well. I just want to say I'm grateful and thankful on today, and I hope you all have a beautiful and splendid Thanksgiving, okay? And yes, eat as much as you like and have a good old time, okay? So happy Thanksgiving. I had to make sure I get that out the way. Here are the things that I will need. Now I end up getting some vinegar, okay, because we're going to need that. Now all these things were already prepped. Not pre-cooked, but prepped, okay? So, now, for those that like this here, and I don't have a big party that I have to serve, okay? So, prepped. And that means it's ready to go in the oven. Okay. So I think, yeah, this is the dressing. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm waiting on that. Now this, I believe, is the mac and cheese, which I think I'm going to add a little bit more cheese on it. I just didn't want to put too much on the top so that it got stuck. This is the heavy duty foil. So, you see that? I'm going to put more cheese on that too. So, even though it is layered in between, but I just, want to be extra. So, that's why I'm going to do that. And over here, my my turkey wings, okay? They've been marinating overnight, okay? So what I plan on doing is putting them in here, okay? So it's kind of wide. So I think I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to do the wings in there. And I did add some chicken wings to them as well. Okay, now here are the yams over here. Now this is going to be the last things that I pretty much have to toil over. So it's going to be the yams, and then these are the greens. Now I stated before, now I know that they're clean, but I'm just going to go ahead and clean them again, okay? So it is in the 6 a.m. hour, okay? And if you already prepped and everything, you will be eating. And I know that some people started yesterday because they have family members that are at work. They've already had arrangements, but they still want to get together and, eat. So I don't know if I'm just going to do sweet potato pies, because I don't know if I want to do yams and then do sweet potatoes. I don't think, I just want to keep it this basic. And I also have, okay, and I also have, have two different kinds, so I won't, okay, you know, because when that butter hit it, and I'm going to show you the butter that I have. And if you watched my haul, you saw that I had cranberry, so I just went ahead and put one in here, okay? And so this is the butter right here, okay? So yeah, I'm pretty much all together now. What I plan on doing, I plan on sauteing these, okay, with some oil. So, and of course, if you did not know, okay, you're going to make sure all that your raw meat stay on the very last, okay, shelf in the ice box, okay? It's just, okay, I know this because I took certain classes, okay? So if you store your food and you're in the beginning part of it, make sure that you keep it covered and it goes, because if you have any drippings, okay, you don't want any of that to drip in anything else, and you don't want to contaminate, okay? So that's what you do. You will contaminate your food. So make sure that you do that. It's just, you know, standard. And also another little trick, you need more than one utensil, okay? Because you don't want to use one and then that will be cross contaminating. Okay, so I'm getting ready to cook. The house is about to get busy. So it's just giving it a aromatic. Okay, I put the onions and the celeries on there, and if it's not seasoned enough, okay, I rather under than over season. Okay, yes, so that's that there, and I'm gonna put them in the oven and leave hot. Okay. The wings over here. That's the dressing. In that same order. Okay. Cover that all back up. And then those right there. Okay. Slide on over yonder. These are the ingredients for the pie. Okay. In that order. And of course, okay. Those are the potatoes. So, that's what it is. We'll see in just a bit. I hit that quarter. I hit that time. It's 11:56. That's that there. Okay. Here. Rolls. Those are in the oven. I'm gonna say happy Thanksgiving and take care. Okay, now here go the pies. That's the pie. Okay. Them rolls right there. Okay, now that's me right there. Okay, let's get it, you know. Cranberry. Look at that. All glazed. Wait a minute. See what that macaroni and cheese look like. Okay. So it is cheesy. Okay. Got that. Oh my God. Yeah, I did that. Yeah. Now I can show you better. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at all this cheese. Want me to put some foil on that?
Yeah, man.
All right. Ooh, look at that right there. You done ate too much, huh? You can't even eat all that shit. Ooh, child.
See, I was paying attention. Okay? I was paying attention in that keychain. It's falling off the bone, child. Look at this here. When it's sticky. Mm-hmm. Gotta go. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.